Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and very delicious fish curry with coconut milk. The fish I'm going to use is a Mahi Mahi fish. This is center cut portion. These are individually vacuum packed and these are boneless, skinless. The coconut milk I'm going to use is organic coconut milk and it's unsweetened. White onion for tadka, 2 tablespoons olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon cumin seed, jeera, salt, 1 teaspoon to taste, black pepper 1 teaspoon, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala. It's a half teaspoon each. 2 garlic cloves, and let's start making our delicious fish curry with coconut milk. Get a pot and start gas. Keep gas on high. First we'll add olive oil. As you can see on this pan, it's a green right now. As soon as it's going to turn red, that means our oil is hot. As you can see, the green is getting faded and the red color start coming up. So that means our pan is getting heated up. Now I'll add cumin seed, jeera. Mix it and we're going to cook like 10 seconds. I'll add garlic. Mix it and we're going to cook garlic. We just want that garlicky flavor to go away. Now I'll add onion. Mix it well. Keep moving. We're going to saute our onion until they are nicely translucent. Onions are nicely translucent. I'll bring the gas to medium. I'll add all the spices, salt, black pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala. Mix it well. And we're going to cook the spices along with our tadka for a half minute. Now I'll add fish. Nice bite-sized pieces. Mix it well with our tadka. Once it's nicely combined with the tadka, cover with the lid and we're going to cook for 5 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for exactly 5 minutes with the closed lid. This was a frozen fish. After washing, it releases all the water. So we're going to mix it well with the tadka. This fish does not take that long to cook. So with the soft hand, keep moving and keep mixing. So bring gas to high and we're going to cook on high gas, cooking for 2 minutes. I'm going to bring the gas to medium. Now I'll add the coconut milk. After adding coconut milk, with very soft hand, we're going to mix it. Put your spoon along the edges and just rotate it. We're going to cover with the lid on medium gas. We're going to cook for 5 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 5 minutes with cover lid. Mix it slowly. Our fish curry in coconut milk is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. Mahi Mahi fish in coconut milk. It's very tasty and very delicious fish curry recipe. Within 12 to 15 minutes, your fish is all ready. Let me share with you. It's very tasty and very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. You always can serve with rice flour. Please try and comment below how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.